So I thought it'd be really cool to take some big whole pearls. These are Tahitian and Chinese freshwater. Put it on some chain and just wear it straight strung on chain. Now here's some tips to think about. When you're using a really thin chain and you want to add a clasp and a ring on, you have to know what will fit in this chain. There are some chains you cannot fit a wire into and some you can. So you want to take your wire, maybe like a 24 gauge, and poke at it to test. If it doesn't go in, then you go to a thinner gauge, and this one 26 gauge wire did fit in, so I wire wrapped that right there. This chain has a small oval cable and then a little square and then more small oval cable and a little square. To mimic the same pattern, I have a Thai silver square bead that I'm putting there, and I'm going to use that as my connection bead. I'm going to make a little wire wrap. So I'll bring the wire down, make a teeny tiny loop, and add the ring or the clasp. There's no front and back to this necklace. It doesn't matter for me which I put on first. If it does have a front and a back, like a pendant, then I want to make sure that my clasp, because I'm right-handed, is on the right side. Just going to wrap that into that tiny little space, my cutter, and trim. And now we have a clasp attached on one side of the chain, and we'll do the same on the other side. If you're wondering what some of that black stuff that's coming off my wire is, that is the silver black. It is a blackening agent that we used on the sterling wire because I wanted a dark wire to go with the black chain, and so we antiqued the clasp, the ring, and the wire. That is just the buildup on the wire. You don't have to worry, it's not doing anything except just coming off. Add the chain on this side and wrap. Cut the extra wire off, covering it with my thumb, and putting on my other teeny tiny Thai silver bead. It's really good to have teeny beads whenever you need it. On this side, again, I'm going to bend the wire down to start my 90-degree angle. I make my loop, open the door, pop the loop in, and close the door. Now it is good practice to take your chain nose pliers and tuck in any little ends. I didn't do it on the first side, but that's because I wanted to save some time and motion. And I pick up my tool just once. See? Don't let it go. And then you do the other side versus picking up the tool 4 different times. This is my necklace. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, always reach out and let us know. Please like, subscribe, and we will see you soon.